Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to talk about something that has been bothering me for years, and I had this issue irrespective of any weather. So I'm talking about dry scalp. I know many of them face this issue during winters, but for me it's always been a dry scalp, and that's what, as I said, it's irrespective of weather. Like even it is summer, winter, doesn't matter. I always have a dry scalp. And what happened this winter is, like, my scalp got really dry and I started having hair fall, which is more than the normal hair fall that I have. So that is when I started getting concerned about it, and then I reached out to few people, and many of them suggested me some products, and most of it was DIY. And I'm not a DIY person when it comes to hair or skin. I don't do DIY. I just because I'm lazy and I like to use store bought products. So that is when I spoke to Kushbu, who is the famous curly hair blogger. So she suggested me to do oil massage every day. So I was like, oil massage, okay. How was that even going to help me? But I'm like, okay, if she's saying, obviously she would have tried something. So that's the reason she's told me. So what I did is, I bought two products. One is a oil and one is a hair mask, and these two products have been working amazing for me. Like after using these two, I'm not having dry scalp. I wouldn't say it is like totally it has eradicated my problem. No, but then I can see a lot of difference. Like usually when I take, when I do a hair wash, the next day itself my scalp gets dry. So when I use these two products, it prolongs that. So that is the best part. So let us talk about the product. So first is this oil. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, it is in mirror view, so I don't think so you guys can see. So this is the Juicy Chemistry hair oil. This is this Sacha Inchi lemon and peppermint organic hair oil. Okay, so as Kushbu suggested, she said I have to apply oil. I have to do oil massage to my scalp every day. So what I do is, I bought this oil. This is a very light oil. This is not going to make your hair look greasy or oily. Nothing at all. So what I do is, every night before sleep, I just take 2 or 3 drops of this oil, and then I just tilt my head and apply it to my scalp alone. So in this way, you're locking in the moisture, you're applying oil to your scalp and soothing all the irritation on your scalp. And another plus point is, I need not say that oil massage and doing it to your scalp increases the blood circulation, which in turn increases your hair growth. So yeah, and yeah, it gives you good sleep, guys, when you do a massage. So yeah, it's not that you have to use only Juicy Chemistry oil, but this oil is specially for dandruff and dry scalp. So that's why I bought this. But you can use any light oils that like grapeseed oil and jojoba oil. I guess you can use all this oil because they are very lightweight, and they will moisture your scalp. They will prevent all this irritation and dry scalp. So you can use those oils. So I have been using this, and this is working great, guys, and just love it. And the next product that I have been using is this. This is from Flossom. This is their Dense Intense hair mask. Oh my god, I just love this hair mask, guys. I'm going to do a detailed review on this, but I'm just going to tell you like how this has been helping. So I use this every 15 days once. That's like almost 2 weeks once. So monthly twice. And again, depending upon like when my hair is really dry, my scalp is really dry and I feel it's so dirty, I need it. That's when I use it. This is this has this scrub particles in it. It is not a very harsh particle that is going to damage or something. It is very tiny and very soft particles. So you can just apply this and scrub your scalp, exfoliate your scalp, and remove all the dry the dry flakes out of your scalp. And this is just a magic product. I would suggest everyone to try this, and you are going to thank me later. This is a exfoliating and deep cleansing mask with activated charcoal and clay. So I know you guys might be knowing like clay and charcoal is really great. It pulls out all the dirt, grit out of your hair and scalp. So what I do is I apply it as a mask. Like this, you're supposed to use this on a dry hair and dry scalp. You need not wet your hair and wet your scalp. Nothing is needed. Just you can use it on your dry hair. What I do is I take I take section of my hair and I apply this to my scalp, and I gently massage it so that all the dry flakes will come out. So I do that, and what I do is I leave it on for 20 minutes or maximum 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. That's what I do. And after that I don't apply shampoo, guys. I just this acts as a shampoo, so you can use it as a shampoo, you can use it as a mask. So if you are having dry scalp, I would say don't use shampoo after this, because this is enough, guys. This will act as a shampoo. It will remove all the oil that is there in your hair. I don't mean that it will strip all the natural oils, that is not the case, but whatever oil you have applied or something you have applied, it will remove that. So, and this is a good hair mask and it acts as a shampoo. So it is a 2-in-1 product, which is again good. So that's how I use it. And after using this, I use a conditioner. So this hair mask, unlike other hair mask, it is not going to condition your hair, guys. This is not a deep conditioning hair mask. Okay, this is an exfoliating cleansing hair mask. So you have to understand that. So after this, you definitely need a conditioner. So use a conditioner after this, and voila, you will have a good hair and good scalp and really a clean scalp. And these are the 2 products that are really helping me. So you can try out and let me know whether these products have helped you, or if you have already helped. I mean, if you have already used and it has helped, you can let me know. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video, and I hope this this video was helpful. Thank you. Bye bye.